I want folks to know that there are a segment of the population out there that is preying on your emotions to convince you that cookies and hugs and love will train, let alone rehab these dogs. If it did, I would put an ad in the paper and I would say, help wanted, spooners. Literally, I would just line up, I would buy 20 beds and I'd put 20 people in it and I'd get all the dogs and they'd climb in and they'd all spoon the fucking dog and all the dog's problems would go away. And we'd read fairy tales to them. And we'd have little mobiles over the beds with like unicorns and rainbows.